So we need to design healthier environments for people to be able to get around and be healthier.
It's a healthy option as well as an economical advantage. It is a shift, it's a real attitudinal shift that the car does not own the road space, that it's a shared space.
You can see that the cycle lanes with separators on Mascot Ave here, that's great for giving space to cyclists, but it's also really important for slowing traffic. We know that if you can narrow the carriageway down, then it makes cars go slower, and that's safer for everyone.
Our children are now confident to use a bike and are willing to use the cycle lanes.
There's been some loss of parking to make way for the bike lanes, and some people have concerns about this. This is understandable as it's affected people's day-to-day lives. This issue is coming up all around New Zealand. But on the other hand, we need to better understand the trade-offs, people being able to park on the street versus providing greater choice and healthier transport choice for people.
We've seen lots of little kids out on bikes, kids coming out from Naiwi Primary or from the wider community, and seeing them happily riding around their streets has made it all worthwhile.